Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this 4-hour Kiddies. It's a 3-hole design. These are going to be straps to furniture wall anchors is what they're called. So it comes with a 10-pack of them. This is what the box looks like here, and I'll explain to you what they are here as I open it up. If I have a knife, I do. So let me open this up here and I'll show it to you. So inside the box we have, I'm just going to take everything out I guess at this point. Okay. Here's our instructions. If you need the instructions, that's them. You can probably pause it and zoom in. But let's see how we do this. So it comes with a bunch of these wall anchors and the screws. So those are good to have. So you got individual packed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I guess 10. There's going to be 10. Okay, and then you get these are the anchor pieces. Let me open them. I'll open up one of these little bags here and show you guys what I'm talking about. So what you'll do is you'll attach one of these to the wall and one of these to your furniture. So you'll have them kind of, 3 screws on each, so it'll be 6 screws nice and tight between each other. And then you take one of these. Oh, if you've seen these before, these are kind of like those little keychain kind of things, so that, and you'll run it through both of them. So it'll be attached through this one and then through this one, right? So you have them both attached. They're attached to, one's attached to the wall, one's attached to the furniture. You'll screw this together, and it's just like a little barrel connector. And then what you have is you have a little bit of space here, so you have your furniture, so you can pull it away from the wall or squish it up against the wall. So you can put it up against the wall for normally, but if you need to vacuum behind it or get a toy that fell behind it, you have the ability to do that. But it'll pull apart, but it won't fall over. So this is the idea: is you don't want your furniture to tip because you have small children at home, and that's like one of the leading causes of issues with children is like TVs falling off of cabinets and things like that. So this will give you the ability so it won't be able to pull far enough away for the dresser to fall. So anything you have, a tall dresser, nightstands, you could use it for anything really. Anything that has the ability, the possibility of tipping. So even like a changing table and just anything. It's good to just put these on there just for safety's sake. And when you want to take it apart, if you needed to remove it, all you have to do is unscrew it, not screw it in. Just unscrew it, and you would have the ability to remove it and put it back in again. So that's why these little connectors are great versus like a zip tie, which you would have to cut and redo again. And zip ties break a lot easier. This is like a metal a wire, so it's going to be way stronger, way better. So I'm going to say this is great. Thumbs up. Pick it up. It's 4-hour Kiddies, and it is a furniture wall anchor.